Good morning, good afternoon, good night, everybody. I'm the Beetle Knight, and welcome back to some more Cyberpunk 2027? What? 2077 Phantom Liberty. Bird with broken wings. You know what? We're just gonna keep going.
Hello? Hello?
You Farida?
Yes, and we're closed.
Got something might interest you?
I doubt it.
Here you collect trinkets. Unification War era.
Mm-hmm. Come in.
That was efficient.
I'm sorry I was unwelcoming. Ever since a certain space plane crashed nearby, I've had to be more cautious.
Why are you already here?
V, good to see you.
Hi, Reed.
Here to see me?
Things are in flux. Situation's changing fast. I thought we should talk.
What about?
I'm here about Somi.
As are we
I
all.
spent hours wrapping my head around this, putting myself in her shoes. I needed to understand what she must have been going through to resort to treason.
Basing your expectations on the woman you used to know, not on who she is today.
Common denominators remain in place. She's trapped, not just here and now, but going months back. Hell. Actually, years. I blame Myers, a sore loser. Does her damnedest to avoid it. Songbird, the Black Wall, dirty tricks meant to give her a competitive edge. It's no wonder Somi doesn't trust anyone. Except maybe you. A little.
There's a prison cell prepped and waiting for her already. Somi knows that full well.
She lives to see tomorrow and every day after. That's what matters.
Myers needs her alive, sure, but forgive and forget the attempt on her life? Never.
Myers might not forgive her, but doesn't mean I can't.
You forgetting? Woman tried to zero you, too.
Her hand's been forced too many times in her life. She's due compensation.
Okay. We break the chain Hansen wrapped around her neck. Then what?
We stow away somewhere safe, ask some questions, establish some common ground. Once I get the answers I'm looking for, I'll personally help it disappear. From everyone, everywhere, including Myers.
Say I believe you. Where's your plan go from there?
I got contacts in Europe. We'll find the best clinic, put you two back together, fix what's broken. Once we have your cure in hand. But I need to help Somi first. She's lost, and I'm concerned she doesn't know what she's doing.
You don't trust her.
What I don't trust is the shit from beyond the Black Wall and the attendant paranoia. Both in play here, I'm afraid.
That's fair.
She has another plan in mind. I'm damn sure of it.
Read you loud and clear. So what's it all mean next?
I have something for you. Our best minds in D.C. cooked it up. Icebreaker. Silver bullet against any fortified netrunner. Farida will feed it into your system during surgery. Use that, and Somi will drop unconscious within a minute. We can't take any chances, and when she wakes up, she'll wake up at home.
Okay. How do I use it?
Fire it up when you're both jacked into the mainframe. At that moment, Somi's door will be wide open.
Sure hope you haven't botched this.
Well, that's a hope we share then. Right now, we're focusing on saving your lives. Talking time will come later. It's time I was on my way. I leave you in Farida's able hands. Call me once you're done here.
The sooner we begin, the sooner we finish.
Okay. No time to lose.
Tush, meet chair.
Okay, then.
Okay. Anesthesia incoming. Don't worry, it's the good stuff. Relax and submit. An ID modding implant is complicated tech, true. But the procedure is surprisingly simple.
This tech actually heard about it. Back at Arasaka Counter Intel. We thought it got the chop at the prototype stage.
As you can see, it yet lives. Chatterbox.
Bitch.
Okay. Anesthesia's taking hold.
I don't know how I feel about this. Oh. What are you doing? Wait. Oh! Oh God! She took my face off!
How many fingers am I holding up?
Fuck you, Johnny.
No, Johnny. Fuck off, please.
You missed me. Warms the cockles, truly. So tell me, what's it feel like to be a traitor?
Interesting way of saying undercover FIA agent.
Shit, actually butt into this. They send you to a fancy party, stroke your ego, and now you're some kind of super spy?
Fucking might as well be.
What's next? Fucking gold medal? Ticker tape parade? A statue? A national holiday? Kids home from school? What the fuck? But seriously, found yourself in a shit-tastic situation. Come on, got iron in your hand. Gotta put it to someone's head. Pull the trigger.
What?
The master spy and the agent unloosed. Tragedy, comedy, or both.
Think one of them's trying to dupe me?
Stop
No, they're
fidgeting.
both telling the
You want it to
truth.
be crooked?
I mean, might be muddy on the nitty-gritty, but their motivations are plain and clear. Survival. It's her be-all and end-all. That and she's a walking, talking nuke. The kind that keeps making mistakes, never knowing which one's gonna set her off.
Okay.
And Reed? Bastard and me are one and the same. If I hadn't ghosted the army, I'd have become a Reed myself. Live and die by our principles. That's the tragedy, V. Someone's gonna play victim to the other's good intentions. Try not to forget that when you're standing over that fucking overgrown neuro drive.
Reed or Songbird? What would you do in my shoes, Johnny?
Shoot
I
them both.
am in your shoes, dumbass. For every gonk choice you make. But I can't do dick. But honest to God, V, not fucking around? I don't know. Got no goddamn clue.
All done. The facial morph implant is online. Now all you need is a behavioral imprint. And do me a favor. Don't tell me what you need this for.
Thanks for everything.
Uh-huh. Right.
Took my fucking face off. Put it back on again. Oh God, I hate it. It's like well and truly.
Hey, procedure's a wrap.
V, I hope you're not feeling too raw post Farida's work. It's time to intercept and supplant the netrunners. Just one hiccup. Our access to Karen Exotics was cut. They must have discovered us.
Wait, seriously? So we lost them?
Not entirely. We know they were last in the city center, headed our direction. Find a vantage point near the entrance of Dogtown. You'll grab a trace on the runners as they drive to the meeting.
Okay.
Cyber psychosis.
10 minutes. Hmm? Everything is gonna work out just fine. Dun. Here we go.
Okay, now I'm gonna need you to confirm a visual for me. Scan the vehicles in your area. One's bound to be them.
Okay.
See a convoy. Hansen's goons. Doubt the runners would have a security escort, though. I'll keep watching.
I wonder, can I blow these up? Nah, of course the game isn't gonna let me. Blow that up, though. Can I?
Additional support for the stadium, most likely.
Oh.
Got a totaled Cortez blocking the road. Traffic's piling up. Car's basic. Run of the mill. Definitely not them.
And we keep looking.
Couple of bikers. Don't expect they'd swap out 4 wheels for 2 last minute.
Nah, not this style. On to the next.
Oh, we got a single car coming, and this might be them.
There they are. No question. Both runners are inside. Got the signal?
Got it. Not gonna slip off our radar anymore. Good work.
Alright, what do I do now?
Still early for the meet with Hansen. They'll stop, kill time somewhere.
Leave me alone. Make power moves too, you know? So peeps don't make
Okay, they're stationary. And out of the car. Walking towards the club now. V, you're clear to head for the car. Get to it.
We're going.
Took it apart.
Are you in position?
Here we are. Damn. Preem ride.
Hey, you're not there to window shop.
Smooth sailing so far.
Okay. And thus, we hang out in here.
Car's cam feeds are mine.
sure you're ready to roll.
Okay.
Should be good, just give me 1 sec.
Why? What are you doing?
Tweaking the ice. Kinda half-baked the way it's set up now.
Fine. Just no unnecessary risks.
Okay, so we need to get DB. Preferably, I'd like to get all of them. Actually, I might be able to. So if we were to go 1C, then DB, then E9, 1C, DB, E9, then pull back up for this could work.
And done.
Not bad. Now, we wait.
What did we do?
Our VIPs are back. They're about to get in. Time to focus up.
Kurt Hansen, tu l'as vu, non? Il était grave en train de me relooker au saphir.
Hmm.
Oh, à moins que ce soit cette putain de gueule de bois. Oh, ça tourne de partout, dans tous les sens.
T'en penses quoi? De Hansen, je veux dire.
Okay, V, take control.
Okay, back in the car now.
La voiture! Quelqu'un en a pris le contrôle!
Emmerich, sonne l'alarme! On a besoin d'aide! Je vais localiser le vecteur.
Ok, 1 seconde! C'est fait!
Putain, allez! J'essaie de reprendre le contrôle!
Come on. No.
V, report what's going on.
They're playing defense. And they're good.
J'arrive pas à la couper!
Okay, so that's...
Putain!
Come on.
On est coupé!
Do
Mais
it.
merde! Quoi? Putain, qu'est-ce qui se
Non,
passe?
non, non!
Well, that was beautiful. Damn!
Whoa. What in the fuck? Okay, first step's behind us.
Target's neutralized. Great work, V. Alright, we have fresh disguises already, but you still need to lift the access codes off them. Aurora's the one to check for those.
Oh, good God. That's not... I don't know how I
Right,
feel about
code's
that.
transferred.
Y'all fucking executed them. Okay, let's make sure I'm actually wearing everything I'm supposed to be. Yep.
Taking the wheel.
So who is getting in with me? Oh, yeah, right. Pretty good.
V, behavioral imprint, now!
Jesus. Ugh. Whoa, that's weird.
Check, check.
Oh God, I'm...
Shit, my voice. Nice. Hang on, that's me? What the hell?
Dream, right? Give it a whirl. Introduce yourself.
Huh. Little miracle must do more than morph your face and voice. Gotta fuck with your hormones like a designer drug. Give you hyper-specific highs and lows to change your behavior.
Mm-hmm. Establishes a new baseline. You just gotta say the right words.
Okay, here goes. Aurore Cassel. Who the fuck is asking?
Not bad.
It can feel like a real trip at first, but you'll get used to it.
Take a sec, collect yourself, then we move. Hansen's waiting.
Alex, it just hit me. This'll be our last stop together.
That's so
I haven't
weird.
forgotten our deal. Maya's greenlit it. A diplomatic mission. No end date. Call it early retirement.
Thanks much, Reed.
Are you ready to fuck shit up?
Good. Sound just like her.
Okay, let's move.
Okay, let's get to it.
All right, stadium then. See you there.
God, this is so weird. I don't like it though.
How about a little refresher before we arrive? Remember, name's Aurore Cassel.
Aurore
Let
Cassel.
me let you in on my secret about how to be someone else. Ask yourself 3 questions.
Yeah.
What do they fear? What do they want? What's their deepest secret?
We didn't learn those about our characters, did we?
Got that? Don't answer now, just something to keep in mind. And be her. So, Aurore, your thoughts on Hansen? Tell me.
Oh la la, the bastard is king of his realm. He is too big, too strong to be removed. Not by the powers in Night City, not by the NUS. The locals think, fuck it, he's okay. And the NUSA? Impotent. It cannot challenge Night City over one man and broken buildings.
Man, couldn't agree more.
Plus, I like his massive balls. Not a matter.
We have arrived. The Hound's Den.
This is minorly concerning.
In possession. Ready for the next phase. Talk soon.
Yep. Here we go. Oh. I guess that's fair.
Stop your vehicle. Prepare to have it inspected.
They really like those turrets.
You are good? Come on through.
Okay.
Some Euro trash are coming to see her.
Let's go. Park.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Before we go in, remember, he wants something from us, not the other way around. We're here to sell him Cynosure mainframe access codes. Stick to the facts. Know who you are and are not.
Okay.
We're here.
Don't lose your goats, Emmerich.
Okay. Aurore Cassel, Project Kenosha, fashion, Phoenicia, fan of Curie Aerodyne style.
We're doubling up at every post. Believe that? Something
Spent
has
5 years in
happened.
less than prison, VIP wing, born. Hearing loss, went to
Secure area,
faster
folks.
criminal underworld in France, where she has a bounty.
We have a meeting with Colonel Hansen.
Checking now. Need a sec?
Blacklisted at the Crystal Palace since 2075. Okay, should be good.
Good, you made it. We haven't met yet. Name's Murphy.
Oh, let's finish this quickly. My hangover is killing me.
This way.
Okay. This is going kind of well, actually.
So, Songbird told me a little about you. Said you two hail from Europe.
That's right.
And did you enjoy yourselves at the Sapphire?
Police commissioner, a candidate for mayor, the Tiger Claw's bookkeeper. All gambling on the city's future together. Figuratively, and not. The anatomy of corruption is beautiful here.
Yeah. Took the words right out of my mouth.
Oh, okay.
Okay, here's our stop. You should expect to have eyes on you all day today. Kurt got a tip. The FIA plans to pull some gonk move. Situation's under control. He ordered everyone checked out, though. No exceptions.
Many wish your colonel dead. He must be vigilant.
Got our people manning the whole stadium. Drone-aided scans providing surveillance support, too. Need you to leave your weapons here. Next, we'll need to run some ID scans. Joke around as we might, get along as we do. Ultimately, this is a place of serious business. You understand?
Oh, God, they have it.
This here's the heart of our little empire.
Ah, how you sell these war machines? It's like a car salesman?
Kinda, yeah. But wholesale only. Suppose you're a dictator from some rinky-dink country. I don't know. Australia, let's say.
Australia?
Tanks, choppers, subs. You want it, we got it. No red tape.
You have submarines.
Fresh out. But we sure did.
All right, I'm in position. Preparing our evac route now. Take your time. I need 10 more minutes at least.
Not much further now.
I couldn't get started earlier without risk of being compromised. And Aurora? This should go without saying. But stay in character.
I'm doing the best I can.
Have you
This
been with
way.
Anson since the beginning?
Since the op in Night City, you mean? Could say that. But we served together earlier, too.
I see. Then he must trust you very much.
Why do I have the slightest feeling that he's just gonna know? Oh, that's on? Yeah. Also, wait. I just realized it's green instead of normal
A
red.
pleasure to see you both. Songbird needs a moment to disarm the device. Which gives us a chance to chat.
Murphy told us some shit hit the fan. That bogeyman know of us here, of our meeting.
We expected all to be handled professionally.
Murphy exaggerates, and he spoke out of turn. We have only suspicions, but I assure you, caution is our creed.
Oh, Colonel Kurt, you're too tense. I exaggerate. I wished only to see your reaction.
Are you testing me?
No. We checked you before. Now I just tease. This means I like you, no?
Fuck, you're entertaining.
This is weird.
We could pretend to trust each other, or we could focus on business.
A pragmatist, to my taste. Agreed. I'd like to raise a little toast to a successful day of business.
Well said, Colonel, well said. I am starting to like it here.
To your health.
I must decline.
You're lost, little brother.
Changing the subject. Did you enjoy yourselves at the Sapphire? My people tell me the stakes went high. You two left richer and happier, I hope.
We, how do you say, fucked the dog?
I'm sorry to hear that.
Nah, it's okay. We will make back our losses today, and much more.
The Black Sapphire. My pride and joy. I worked hard to make it the go-to destination for Night City's royalty. Oh, actually, before I forget, I learned recently that we have a mutual friend.
Huh?
She said you did time together at La Sante. Remembers you well.
My, you must have an impressive set of contacts, Colonel. And just who is this friend who remembers me so well?
Raquel asked me to say hello. She did her time under max security, C block. Said her rat tattoo might jog your memory.
This Raquel is clearly mistaken. Max security is separate from the VIP wing where I stayed. Thank God.
Ah, it must have been someone like you. Very much like you.
Indeed.
How many years have you been in Night City? They say you served with Militech once.
7 years now. And yes, before that it was my mission to plant an NUS flag on this soil.
Then it appears to be a great success. The things you have achieved here. Impressive.
That flag's a piss-soaked pile of ash now. What I built with my own 2 hands, for me.
It seems your old friends are still interested in you. That is why the FIA sniff around.
Call it a sentimental attachment. The battle for NUSA's future drives us both.
Interesting. Then are you different?
I win my battles.
Touché, Colonel.
Ah, by the way, at the Sapphire, you asked me to contact a certain fashion type. Remind me who?
Oh, the tailor of Carrie Eurodyne. Oh, he is so flavorful. I must have a taste.
Yes, that's the one. The fashion world isn't exactly my forte, so I'll need maybe a week to arrange it. Your sister certainly is the more talkative of you two.
You noticed?
You complement each other well. Listen, it seems we've got time to spare. There's another opportunity I'd like to discuss. An expansion into Western Europe.
Oh?
What I need is a reliable partner on the ground. 2 would be even better. Hey.
Relax, soldier. You know, Kurt, the arms trade, we keep our fingers out of this cookie jar.
I see. But all I need's a nudge in the right direction. Some introductions, a little intelligence, one-time request. Say, 200,000?
Now I have butterflies.
I need an in with Les Collectifs.
Anyone with even a bit of cred in France knows who they are. We can put you in contact, easily enough.
Oh, is that so? Just like that?
Yes, I and Le Collectif, we are very close.
Close, sure, but not on the best terms from what I know.
Just like you and the NUSA. They say to the world they would put you down. In fact, they leave you a bowl of food by the back door.
I see what you mean. So me.
How did this work?
We can begin. The mainframe is ready.
You remember the terms. One of you feeds in the access codes, the other stays with me.
I will stay.
Shall we?
Follow me.
Come on, Song. Places to be, things to do.
So tell me, how do you like NC now that you're back?
What fuck faces?
While you were waiting, I ran some initial diagnostics. The mainframe is prepped and linked with our systems. She's ready to go. You know, he created this lab especially for the occasion. Tens of millions of eddies invested for your visit alone. That's Kurt for you.
Ah.
I have a plan in place for when we secure the neural matrix.
Okay.
I'll hack the local net, override its defense systems, turn the whole stadium hostile. We'll slip out in the chaos.
But how many would die?
They'll die so we can survive. Live. I managed to simulate the mainframe's native environment, the bunker. It'll be ready for the access codes in a moment. Listen, V. All hell breaks loose in 2 minutes. When Hansen flatlines, we haul ass.
I
I'll
have
block access to this room. Alex and Reed are minimizing risk and exfilling early via the route. Here she is, in all her glory. Oh, and don't worry about us. Got that sorted already. Check stadium blueprints, no way to run. So, shall we?
Oh. Game.
Ready. Linked. Is the connection clear?
Thousandth of the decimal. It'll have to do.
Time to get wet.
Actuating the mainframe.
I see. It's responding.
Stay sharp. Almost open for input. Pete, thank you. Really. Thank you for being here. Just a little more. Okay, your turn. It's ready for the access codes.
I'm with you, Somi.
Sorry, Reed, but she's been here a lot longer.
Look toward Alex. Wait for Kurt to go down.
Can do. What then?
We run. Nearly have the Matrix. Breaching stadium defenses now. It's a lot. Had to reach past the black wall.
Wait, mean to say like the whole stadium?
Cutting off the lab now. Carving a path out of here for us. Defense systems are nearly primed to turn on Kurt's forces. Let Alex know.
Damn! Damn!
Target down.
It's done. Stadium defenses. Hostile and online.
V, status. Everything all right?
Nope, we are not alright. I repeat, we are not alright.
Somi, you okay? What's wrong?
The Matrix, the stadium, the black wall. Just lost control for a sec. But, yeah, I'm okay now.
What the?
V, we need to bolt.
Reed! They're giving us the slip!
Things get dicey. I can help. Hack stuff around you.
Okay, here's just what we're gonna have to do.
Just can't push myself.
Wait, I need to put a scope. Hold on. We need to... Wait, no, it's only blue! Why is it only blue? No! Focus fire, focus fire. Swiss cheese, pyro. Da-da. Shuffler.
The mainframe breach. Blackwall hit me hard.
Okay, get this open, please.
Any chance you could spin the chopper's rotor?
Coffee!
Oof. Poor guys. As much as I love throwing that, can I throw this, actually? I can. Beautiful.
Oh, you missed!
Shut up. What? Oh, God. Alright, yeah, no. And nope again. There we go, and there we are.
I'm hit! Cover me!
Well, this was dumb. Why did you come down here?
Netrunner, brace for hacks!
The stairs and left. Find your gear.
Oh, wait, I can go back to my neurotoxin knife. Well, it's not my neurotoxin knife, but it'll do better than this hatchet will. Oh.
Leave the door to me.
Never mind. I found my weapons. Okay. Precision rifle, then, Johnny's pistol, and then, this knife. Why do I have this? Go away. I wonder if I give him contagion. I can then give him contagion. And it gives him that. Oh my god, it's beautiful.
I need to get to a higher level. I can do something to distract him.
Using a shotgun!
Panzer turret, use that!
How come? What the hell?
Execute it!
You had an iconic. Murphy's Law. Clever. Very clever. Damn it, I cannot hit this guy. Jesus. Why the hell would you approach me?
Attack! After me!
Got a troublemaker, boys.
Come on, poke. Oh, Jesus.
First, I'll cut off your fingers.
The mech! Try to hack it!
Okay, they're just throwing things at me.
Bargain!
Sit down. Same rifle, dude. Same rifle. Oh god. Hit him. Hit him! Okay, I somehow went from the best sharpshooter to the worst sharpshooter in existence. Welcome to our side, dude.
Bargist! Fuck yeah! Open wide!
Are you shooting at me now? You are.
Ass-sucking netrunner!
Bitch. Ooh. I got something. Oh, Murphy's Law.
Okay, now, the door on the left. There's an elevator, but we're not using it. Keep going, to the corridor.
Come on, Song, let's go.
Door's locked.
I'll open it. Give me a...
Well, this is going just beautifully.
Done. Disable the door. We have a moment to catch our breath.
I have the slightest feeling Reed is going to be on the other side of this.
Give me a sec.
Damn it, I didn't get over here in time to see that dialogue option. Oh, something deeper over here. Aha! Oh my god! Oh. Yay, a lot of stuff that does not fit the soldier
Follow
style.
the maintenance shaft. Take the stairs down.
Yeah, in a second now, we're gonna run into Reed, and he's gonna jump scare me.
Careful. People up ahead.
Half the equipment's fried. Other half's lit up like a fucking Christmas tree.
Okay, hold on. We're gonna switch Johnny's pistol for Her Majesty.
We're gonna be down, what, at least a couple of days? Ugh, fuck, dude. Try a week? It's them! Please, don't hurt us! We won't say a word! Promise!
Song, come on.
Wait. Hear that? Drones.
Thank you, Song. I see them. What? How did they get down here? I did not need to grab that, but you know what? We did. Ooh. Shut up. No, I can't look at it yet. Could probably hit it with contagion, couldn't I? Wait, don't I have, like, an electrical one? No, I don't. I don't... Yeah, no, I don't have shock. That probably would have been good to have. Oh, great. And contagion's blocked, so I couldn't use it. All I can do is overheat. Actually, I could probably turn one Cyber Psycho. Yeah. Turn this one Cyber Psycho. They kill each other, and then leave me open for the final shot. See? They sorted themselves out.
Almost there.
Mm.
Plans as follows. We'll be exiting from the back of the stadium. I've arranged 2 cars. En route already. One's for you, the other's for me. Should make us harder to track.
I don't like how it's forced me to put my pistol away. Alright, I just had to make sure there was nothing back there.
Feeling lightheaded. It's not budging.
Oh, I will.
Fuck! What's this?
Finally.
Okay. Jump in.
Think I see who that alarm's for. A huge blast? Gotta be them.
Fuck! Fucking ankle!
Hansen's dogs could swoop in any sec.
V, gonna need a hand.
Come on, Somi. Final stretch.
Toward the gate. Carl'll be there.
Why do you
Thank
have...
V.
Why do you have, like, those Sith eyes? Y'all saw nothing. Clear? Come on, Song.
Gonna mean trouble for us. No, it ain't. How you so sure? 'Cause we ain't seen nothing.
There they are. All right.
That car? Bet you my lucky Annie it's here for them. That's a dumbass bit. That mean you'll take it?
Hope you got a plan for what comes next.
We need to split up. Try to throw off the agency's pursuit strategy. Meanwhile, I'll confirm my path out of Night City is clear. Once I do, I'll be in touch.
Where are we gonna meet? And when?
I'll call you.
I'll send you the coordinates. Just wait for my sig. And don't get caught.
Hey, likewise.
You'll be easier to catch than I am.
And V? Thanks.
The Killing Moon. Huh. I wonder. You know, I wonder if that completely wrecks the stadium. So where do we end up? Okay, so we're outside of Dogtown, so we have to go this way. The thing is, Somi actually has the key to our lives, so I'm kind of more inclined to join her than I am Reed, who still just kind of needs Song Me anyway to get the key to our lives. So I don't particularly care for his side, if that makes sense. Also, what's this thing I have? Oh. behavioral imprint synced faceplate. What can I do? What does this do? What have I just become? What? Activating faceplate alters both your physical and digital identity, making you virtually unrecognizable. Outside of combat, you can easily escape the law up to bounty level 4. Oh, okay. I get it now. I get it. So yeah, it's basically just a way of escaping the authorities. Okay. Well, I guess it's about time we go meet Hanako at Embers. I'm kidding. Who the fuck does that? Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, come back next time for some more Cyberpunk 2077. Either Phantom Liberty, or just normal game.